Cured a lot of fish. I see that. I don't think our tank is big enough. to get a bigger
I don't
tank.
think that this is all. I think it's more to come. It's crazy how they deliver live fish.
Yeah, they put it in toilet bowl water.
Oh.
It's so funny. That's just in the process.
It's all in the process.
Throw the trash.
It's a different juice. Oh, boy.
Awesome.
I can see them fine.
That's pretty, huh?
That's a lot of fish reflecting, actually.
There's a shit ton of fish in there.
But it's just reflecting a lot more, too.
Is it?
Yeah. Can you open that for me? Thank you.
I didn't know they eat chocolate. What is it?
Shrimp.
It's a shrimp cube?
Yeah,
It looks like it's falling apart.
it will.
My God, look how happy they are. Oh, they're chasing the fish. Do you see that? The
Okay.
big ones are chasing the little ones.
Mm.
Yeah, those little teeny weeny ones. I hope they can run.
Smell. Smell definitely. Smells like a fish.
The shrimp? Oh,
Yeah.
I bet. That one's trying to hide up in there. That's the thing. The chunks coming off of the fish cubes
Uh-huh.
are bigger than the little tiny fish that are in there.
Yike. That doesn't sound good. Mom is happy.
That shrimp cube is out of control. See, you can't touch anything in there now. Go ahead and add that next driftwood. And then now?
No better time than now.
All of these little guys are swimming in the current.
They love it.
There's like a crap ton of them up there.
Oh, there.
Yeah, they're gonna be busy up there.
Crazy cute.
I mean, it just decided to land on top of the bridge and just be creepy.
I know, right?
That is so awesome.
That is so crazy.
Well, I'm assuming by morning it'll fall in, huh?
Yeah. Hopefully it doesn't take the...
Bridge with it?
Yes.
It is what it is. If it's going to go down, it's going to go down so slow that it probably won't.
But that is so weird how it...
Do you want me to move it over?
Oh, no.
Leave it?
Yeah, I think it's cool.
Spooky enough to leave, yeah.
Right? Oh. It's like... That is weird.
If they had a camera on it, it would have been cool to see it going down, you know?
Yeah. That is weird. It's kind of cool. I mean, from this angle, it looks so cool.
It does look spooky and ominous.
It is. Like, it's sitting right on it. That's so funny. Wow, that's a lot of bubbles. A lot of bubbles. Ooh, look at that moving.